What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Ruckus episode, and the build should be complete this vlog. Here we have the last components to make the Ruckus great again. Well, great for the first time around. So what we have in the box is my seat with the nice custom wrap on it, thanks to my man Ryan from the Ruck Shop. He did his thing on it, got the tail light on it. All I have to do now is just insert the seat frame that's over there in that box with the front battery box cover tray thing majig. I got the headlight bracket in, I got the headlights over there wrapped up, and today's the day the Ruckus gets completed. And I also have my cooling box from the Ruck Shop as well, so I can show you guys what that is in case you do what I did and cut the mount on so you can have a clean shell, well, clean frame. And we can get rid of the factory coolant reservoir, and we just put in the coolant that the Ruck Shop offers. So with enough talking, let's get to work. All right, let's open up this package. Ryan did his thing on this bad boy. He killed it. He killed it. Check that out. Whew. Ride Alcantara. It feels like Alcantara. So much cushion, bro. You know how many farts I'm about to be blasting on this thing? Got my coolant box reservoir right here, so I can add coolant. Got my light relay switch, I believe this is, and the battery box cover. So this is why I shipped out the battery box cover, because I needed these done and I don't trust myself drilling. And he also made me a mil spec type harness, and it is legit, bro. You got it even labeled and everything. So gotta love and appreciate Ryan, man. You just gotta love and appreciate him, bro. He just that's the homie. That is the homie. So to complete the Ruckus build, this is all I have to do. I have to install 4 items, and this thing will be in the complete state. I still gotta paint that thing, but I'm just gonna paint it black. I'm gonna paint this and this black. I was gonna do yellow, but I think the black would just be dope because it'd be all one color on that side anyway. So I think that'd be dope. The bracket for the intake arm or whatever is kind of doo-doo, so I'm gonna paint that as well. Let's start assembling this thing, yo. I'm so excited, bro. Oh, this is about to look nasty, dude. We're into my first issue with the whole coolant box thing because, well, I gotta find a hose that's big enough to fit on that barbed fitting so I can get it on, well, not mounted because I have nowhere to mount this onto the frame, so that blows. But I'm running to O'Reilly, get a hose for that, come home and try to figure out what I could do to mount this. The mounting bracket on this thing is where it would mount if I had the stock location to mount this, and I shaved that off, so I thought this was like in case you shave it off then you run this, but I'm gonna figure something out. Hopefully I can figure something out where I'm gonna run this big old tube. So but before that, let's run to O'Reilly and get us a hose that fits. So I came back from AutoZone. I'm gonna go visit the homie Fred, and got a hose, but the hose is too big, so I used a hose that came from the OEM hose, and somehow I got it to work. But now I still can't mount it. I talked to Ryan. He said mount the seat first and then mount it underneath the seat. But it also has to be facing downwards because there's a black hose on the bottom that's atmospheric. It's always coolant, bro. It's coolant is what's holding me back right now. So I'm gonna try to get everything. Well, I gotta mount the seat on, so I guess I could film that if I know what I'm doing, because I don't. Yeah. Oh, dog. You guys don't understand how pissed off I am, bro. Putting on this seat was by far the most frustrating task I've ever had so far with this Ruckus. Bleeding the brakes wasn't this hard because I know how to bleed brakes. Alright, so let me break it down to you. This bracket right here is an OEM. This came from the Ruck Shop, right? Now these little freaking bracket thingies, majig, the most pain in the ass thing I've ever done in my entire life. Bro, like, it's that serious. Me and Ryan was conversing for like, I don't even know. It could have been an hour on how to do it properly. Because I had literally no idea. I ended up scratching the frame. I dropped this like 4 times on the floor. Bro, I'm so pissed off right now. But look how it looks. Just it looks good. I don't even care anymore. I'm so pissed, bro. I don't even want to work on the bike anymore. That took like an hour and a half for this, bro. I kept mounting this backwards on the other side, upside down. Oh my. So just, if you ever order this thing from the Ruck Shop, refer back to this video, bro. I should title this video, the most pain in the ass day of my Ruck. And I still have to mount this goddamn coolant box. Dude, I am pissed, bro. Randy popped in my head right now. Man, you bitch. Yup. Let's get this coolant box thing mounted, hopefully underneath the seat. I hope I never have to take the seat off. What y'all think, bro? What y'all think? Oh, snap. That looks so good. Look at that. That's such an Instagram picture. Please. Okay, so went to Randy's house, picked up the gas tank, hung out with him and Mai for a couple, and then now I'm back home, and the Ruckus starts first try now, I guess, because my leaky gas tank, it leaked in my mom's car, and when I got home, and I didn't put gas in right away, so it leaked, and I didn't have enough gas in there, which I thought I did, so I just got finished cranking it over, but I didn't have the camera, so I'm gonna mount the camera so I can give you guys that cool start. There you go. Alright. Okay, it still does the thing where, like, it cranks sometimes and it don't. Okay, I don't know why it does that. Okay, so it's a new day. Last night I got the relay wired in. I got the the tail light LED flush mount thing. Ryan already did that for me. All I had to do was just wire it in, which was pretty easy. They do have a diagram on the Ruck Shop on how to wire it in if you're using your factory OEM harness or if you have a GY6 harness. They got all that stuff on their website. But here's the Ruckus. Yesterday I had a coolant explosion, so I had to pressure wash the whole garage, but you can't even tell, so I don't know why I even said it. Look at that. All my coolant gone already. Look at that idle though. Hear that idle. So for today, I'm gonna get the battery box covers on. I actually gotta head out to Home Depot to get 2 M8 hex head bolts because I don't know where they are. So I gotta get those so I can do the battery light, that to the actual tray over there, and then put that on the front end and stuff like that. So I also picked up some yellow paint yesterday. I don't know where I put it to paint the stuff, so I'll probably do that today as well so I can still get this daily upload for you guys. So without further ado, let's get this video crack-a-lacking and go pick up these M8 by 20 hex head stuff. This Florida heat is no joke. God damn! It is beautiful out though. I will give it that. It is all sunshine, playboy. It is clean. Yeah. Instead of going to Home Depot, I went to Ace Hardware and got stainless steel. Okay, so quick update. I got all the headlight stuff, harness stuff. Well, not headlight harness, but I got the signal lights all wired up. I got the relay in. Check me out. Check your boy out. Oh! And it's blinking in the rear if you can see it. Oh, yeah. Check your boy out, bro. Yeah! See the brake light? I have to go to Home Depot, get a connector so this I can also have a brake light. So what I did so far was take some existing wires that the bike had, but I'm no longer gonna use. I just plugged in the female connectors, and now I gotta go, well, male connectors. Now all I have to do is get some terminals for these to plug into the slot on that master switch. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna head to Home Depot, get these connectors, come home, put in the battery boxes, the headlight stuff, and we are golden. The bike will, I still gotta paint the damn thing. No, it is not nighttime. It's hot outside. So I got the garage door closed, I got the AC on, and it's 92 degrees. But I feel kind of cool, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. Oh man. Let's finish up this wiring, get this battery box stuff on, and ride the Ruckus. When you can't find your wire crimp, use what you got. Alright, no edit. We're gonna see if this works. Hey! Yeah! Really, I really didn't I don't know. I didn't mess with anything. I just plugged them in and see if it'll work. I didn't even know if it was ground or blah, 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 blah. But we good to go. So I'm just tuck this up a little bit. So I got boom, and I got boom. We're good to go, playboy. Yeah. Home stretch, battery box, and the front, well, both battery boxes, lights, all that. But we there, dog. Gotta open the garage for this, playboy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, there, mom, be easy. It looks so good. Check it out. Here is my 2011 Honda Ruckus painted cypress green pearl. Right here, I don't know, the paint looks off on the front. Like it looks like an olive green, and then right here it looks like the green. That's gonna piss me off. But other than that, the bike is somewhat done. I just have to button up a little bit. I ran into an issue to where I have to freaking I have this gap right here. I really want to get rid of it. Like this is going to bother the hell out of me, bro. And I just want to close it because on the other side, oh, somewhat flush. I mean, it's better than what it was before. It's somewhat flush. It's better than that. You know what I'm saying? That has a huge opening, and this one's like very minimal. But here we have, bro, the Ruckus is somewhat completed. I bought some yellow paint to paint this yellow, but what do you guys think, man? Should I paint it yellow or should I paint it black? Should I just paint all this black? I also got to paint this too, and I got to tuck these wires. It's almost done, dog. Well, it is done to you guys. It's done because I'm gonna do everything and hopefully do like a cool bike reveal or something like that. Yo, look how beautiful this is. Oh my lord. The Ruckus is completed. The build is complete. The build is complete. By complete, I mean I tore it down, I put it all back together, it rides, it drives. So in my eyes it's complete, but the next time you see it, this will be painted black. I don't think this will be here anymore. This will be painted black as well. This little rust thing right here will be painted black. I wonder if I can get a new one of these, like a cool hose or something, because that's like faded. I'll have this mounted properly with no zip ties. This will be not in the best, but this will be actually green because I have touch-up paint, so I'm just gonna get like a stencil and like touch-up paint that right there. I gotta do touch-up paint right here because that's white. Minor touch-up spots that I have to do, but for the most part, it's not exactly like Christina because of the yellow, but hell, it's painted Christina color, so maybe down the road if I get different set of wheels. The build is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this build series. I'll probably still keep it going, but it's completed. Like, the bike is completed. I just, oh god, it looks so great, dude. You can see the paint difference right now between the two. Like, this is like a, I don't like it, bro. I really don't. Like, you could definitely see the paint difference. Hey, Hector, bro. I don't like how my thing looking like olive green, dog. I'm just playing. I love you, dog. Oh, that is so beautiful, bro. That, and they be like, yo, Zosh, when you gonna job front the Ruckus? Well, I guess this is the end of the video. That is going to do it for this Ruckus video. Next video probably be like when I get my vlog set up stuff properly. I want to go for like a moto vlog and tell you guys the process that I went through my head during the build. So hopefully the next Ruckus video, well, the next Ruckus video for sure will be me riding it. But hopefully I have like a cool GoPro setup on the helmet so you guys can like get that motonosity type moto vlog or whatever. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to edit and get this thing up so I can have a daily upload for today, which is Friday. But if not, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, a great Saturday or Sunday, whenever you're watching this. Before I end the video, I have to say huge thank you to the Ruck Shop for making this build go as fast as it did. I had to wait like 3 weeks for the paint, and plus I got the Integra, you know, my main car to worry about. But bro, we did the build pretty fast, man. Once I got it back from paint and, you know, little minor stuff I kept throwing away like a dumbass, it came out pretty good. I want to give a huge thank you to the Ruck Shop for sponsoring this entire build. Make sure to click the link down below in case you want to get a Ruckus, or you, bro, the Ruck Shop is really the best Ruckus-based company out there. And I'm not saying that just to say it because, well, they sponsor the video or whatever, but because the parts that they have, they make in-house. So, like, they do a lot of custom stuff. In the car world, the Ruck Shop would be K-Tuned. The reason why I say that is because K-Tuned is, like, everyone wants K-Tuned. No matter what B-Series, D-Series, H-Series, K-Series, K-Tuned is what you'd want. And if you have a Ruckus, the Ruck Shop parts, or the Ruck Shop in general, is where you want to go to build your Ruckus. So it's dope that I had like this sponsored. Like, I'm so glad that I became part of the TRS family. Shout out to Ryan, shout out to Kevin, shout out to Felix, shout out to everybody from the Ruck Shop who've helped me with this build. And oh man, I feel like Drake. Oh man. But this video must come to a close. Yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.